In this video, I'll show you how and why you would want to use the FooBox Multisite extension. So here we are in the network settings of a WordPress multi-site setup. I'm in the plugins area, and you can see I have FooBox HTML and Video Lightbox network activated. There are no other settings in the network settings for FooBox. All of the settings now reside on the individual subsites. So if I flip over here to subsite 1, this is another test site, and go to Settings and FooBox, you can see I have all of the expected FooBox settings, the license key, all of the general settings, and all of the tabs here: look and feel, functions, social icons, advanced, JS and CSS, demo, and support. Now, if you are running a multi-site network, you may not want all of your owners to purchase FooBox individually. You might want to purchase the FooBox business license for your multi-site network, and then hide some of these settings from your individual users. So that's what the FooBox Multisite extension does. So let's go ahead and network activate that. And now you'll see some new settings in the network settings panel. If you go to settings, network setup, you'll see some new FooBox settings. And what you'll see here are some FooBox defaults that you can choose. As the super admin, you will have the only FooBox license key and the multi-site extension license key. Your subsites won't have a license area anymore. So let's go take a quick look at that. So if I go ahead and refresh this on the single site, you can see that the license validation is gone. And there's also some tabs missing here. Let me go back to the network settings, and you can see that there are some global settings that you can set for FooBox on your individual sites. You can set the default FooBox settings text. You can choose to hide the Advanced tab and the JS and CSS tabs, or you can choose to leave those in for your individual site owners. You can choose to show an affiliate link on all of the FooBoxes within your network and put your affiliate URL or whatever URL you want to put in there, or you can simply uncheck that and no affiliate link will show. So let's go ahead to the single site, and you can see here that I'm going to enable on WordPress galleries, and you can see that the Advanced and JSS tabs are missing. I'm going to go ahead and save those changes, and I'm going to go to the Look and Feel tab. And you can see here in the single site that the Metro is selected and pink. But let's say I want to set the initial theme and color scheme and icon sets and loader icons for my individual subsites. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go back to the network settings for FooBox. I'm going to choose Look and Feel, and I'm going to select rounded, blue, this arrow, and the gear icon. I'm going to go ahead and save those changes, and go to the single site here, refresh FooBox, and you'll see that the default styles that I set in the network settings have translated into this single site. So if we go to the test gallery on the single site, and there you go. I haven't chosen to display any social icons or anything yet. So that is the FooBox multi-site extension. Allows you to control global settings in FooBox for all of the single sites on your network, and also to hide certain areas of the FooBox settings from your single site admins. One other note is that you'll see a support tab here, and that is the support tab only for the super admin. That tab is also missing from the single site. So you're basically filtering Advanced, JS and CSS, and the support tab. We hope you enjoy the FooBox extension for multi-site.